Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make plantain and potato fufu. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my community, and please do well to stay to the end as we do this together. First of all, you'll be needing plantain, one unripe plantain and one Irish potato. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cut them into chunks like so, and make sure to give it a very good wash, just in case you're in a place where yours came with some dust or sand. Okay, so after that, I'll put it in my blender and I'll run it, but most times it's advisable to put a little bit of water, not halfway, just a little bit. Okay, if you put it halfway, it may become too much, but it's better you put it in the pot. Now as you pour in the pot, you can add some more water, but make sure you keep checking. Okay, if you're someone who likes your fufu soft, add water. If you're someone who likes it medium, yes, add water, but I want her who likes it hard. So anyway, I put it in the pot, put in some water and begin to stir like this. So I have to stir it so it doesn't have lumps. Be it this one you're making, or cassava fufu, or yam, whatever it is, you always want to make sure you stir so it doesn't build up lumps. Okay, so you stir it this way, and after stirring for a while, you have to cover it on medium heat and allow it to cook. Now after covering it for say 3 minutes on medium heat, you know it's getting well cooked when it's getting together like this. As you can see, the texture, it's no more looking white, it's now formed into, like a mold. Yeah, so right now all I'm going to be doing is stirring it some more to make sure I don't have lumps and to mix it well. This is kind of it's not really stressful. It's not stressful, it's just a matter of, just take your time and do it. I mean, if you're hungry, you want to do it. So let us talk about this plantain and potato fufu, right? So if you're someone who doesn't really like eating cassava or too much of starch, or you want to give it a different try, yeah, I decided to do this because I realized from research that besides potassium, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and magnesium, plantain also contains some very rich vitamins like vitamin K, vitamin A, copper and iron. Now vitamin K helps in wound healing, and it keeps the bone healthy, and vitamin A helps with vision, growth and cell divisions. And for copper, not copper that electricians use, okay, copper in food is also a good energy production vitamin, and iron helps to prevent anemia, okay, and boost resistance to infection. So don't take my word, go and search for yourself and you see it. Okay, so at this point our swallow is ready. Our plantain and potato swallow is ready. You know it's ready when it's moldable. What I mean moldable, you can now cut it and use it to eat something. Okay, so after this, just take it out from the heat and you serve it, and look at that. This looks so yummy. Yes, so we had this with soup. You can have it with any soup of your choice, and guys, this really came out nice. So why not give this a try and let me know in my comment section how yours went, and if you like this, just give it a try. There's no harm in trying. And yes, I just want to say thank you again for being a part of my YouTube channel, and please remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment section, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.